Imagine making $10,000 a month while AI does most of your work. Sounds crazy, right? But it's happening right now. Today, I'll show you exactly how you can start a profitable AI side hustle, even if you're a beginner. Let's go. Most people are stuck in 9-to-5 jobs, but AI is changing the game. Big brands are making millions with AI, but why not you? The problem is most people don't know where to start or which AI tools to use. But don't worry, I'll walk you through 3 proven AI side hustles that can make you money in 2025 step by step. AI side hustle number 1 is AI-generated content writing. First up, for making AI-generated content writing, use ChatGPT or Jasper AI to write blogs and articles, then sell your content on Fiverr, Upwork, or Medium Partner Program, and charge $50 to $200 per article. AI side hustle number 2 is YouTube automation. YouTube automation means no face, no voice, just AI tools. Use Pictory.ai, 11 Labs, or Canva to create AI-generated YouTube videos and monetize them with ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. AI side hustle number 3 is AI-powered logo and thumbnail design. For making logo and thumbnail designs, use Canva, Leonardo AI, and Midjourney to design professional logos and thumbnails. Sell these designs on Fiverr, Etsy, and Instagram and charge $30 to $150 per design. Remember, AI is the future, and those who take action now will be ahead of the game. Which AI side hustle excites you the most? Comment AI money if you're ready to start. Like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more AI money-making strategies, and check the links in the description for free AI tools. Thanks for watching. Keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, take action today. Wishing you success in your AI journey. See you in the next video.